This mighty red formula is amazing. It is made from the stem cells of red antler deer. It uses the umbilical cord lining, which is the richest source of stem cells. And stem cells have the ability to provide instructions to your hair follicles to grow, bypass hair loss. I have been using the Calecim system for about 2 months now, and I have been blown away by the results so far. These cute little red ampoules, I use one of these twice a week, and I put that in my scalp. So what I do is twice a week I will dermaroller my scalp. I've been using my derma roller for that, obviously, and I'm only applying really light pressure here. I'm not really pushing hard. It's just like a light pressure just to increase the absorption of this serum. And this serum is great because it uses stem cell technology, red velvet antler deer umbilical cord lining. So what that means is that when the deer is giving birth, the umbilical cord is disposed of, so it's cruelty free, but it uses the stem cell technology because umbilical cord lining is one of the best sources of stem cells, and stem cells are basically telling your hair to grow. It's the instructions your hair needs to grow thicker and strong. And I can definitely see a difference in my hair. My hair feels stronger, it feels thicker, and I just feel like it's definitely making a difference. It takes about 4 months before you see proper, intense results, but I definitely am loving the results so far, and I would super recommend. It's a blend of botanical extract. It's a 6-week system. You use it twice a week, and it comes with 6 of these, and I'm going to show you how I use it. So I microneedle my scalp, make sure I get everywhere. Then I use my ampoule. I just apply it, a few drops, and half of that, all of this will go across my whole scalp, and it's more than enough to cover my whole scalp. So I'll just section my hair and apply it, keep sectioning and applying it. Just an update on how I've been finding the Calecim treatment so far. I didn't respond to minoxidil when I was diagnosed with alopecia, androgenetic alopecia. My doctor prescribed me minoxidil, which is the over-the-counter drug for hair loss, and actually it caused me rashes, it made my hair fall out, and all round I just didn't respond very well to minoxidil. The star ingredient is PTT6. PTT6 basically uses the body's natural mechanisms to help heal inflammation and hair loss. And it uses the body's own ability to regenerate. It has over 3,000 proteins, including growth factors. All of this to say that it is the cutting edge of hair care science. I have been using it for the last few months, and I have noticed a difference in my hair density. I mean, my hair right now is, I've just put the Calecim in it, so it's a little bit greasy. It is really improved the density of my hair, and I think I will see a lot more results at the 6th month mark. And one thing to note is that if you are using it, then you can't wash your hair for at least 48 hours, and you want to do it on a clean scalp as well, so you don't have any product in your hair. You kind of want to do it on freshly washed hair, so you wash your hair twice a week and you put the treatment in twice a week. It is very lightweight, and you can, I can just go out now and just go out my day without it looking like super weighed down and super greasy, so that's a good advantage of it. Yeah, so far I've been loving the Calecim, and I'll link everything in the description. And if you have any questions regarding the treatment plan, regarding any of the special ingredients within it, drop me a comment and I will respond. But thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video, and I'll be updating hopefully every month, or hopefully every couple months, so that you guys can see my progress as time goes on. Bye!